the 2024 Lexus TX review, pricing, specs and details. 2024 Lexus TX starting at $55,050. The 2024 TX SUV shares its platform with the Toyota Grand Highlander and is replacing the previous generation RXL 3-row SUV in the Lexus lineup. The RXL was never particularly roomy in the rearmost seat, but the TX offers plenty of space for adults to settle in back there. The TX offers a plethora of luxury features. The Toyota version is already plenty pleasant inside to justify the Lexus badge, including available semi-aniline leather upholstery and a 21-speaker Mark Levinson stereo system. 3 different powertrains are offered, including 2 hybrids, one of which is a plug-in. Entry-level models are powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder, and the plug-in hybrid makes a stout 404 horsepower and offers 33 miles of electric-only driving range. What's new for 2024? The TX is an all-new model for the Lexus brand, and it's set to go on sale in fall 2023. Pricing and which one to buy. TX350, $55,050. TX350 Premium, $58,450. TX350 Luxury, $60,950. TX550h Sport Performance Premium, $69,350. TX550h Sport Performance Luxury, $72,650. TX550h Plus Premium, $75,000, estimate. TX550h Plus Luxury, $80,000, estimate. The TX is offered in 3 different flavors, including a 404 horsepower plug-in hybrid called TX550h Plus. We'd recommend the TX350 Luxury, as it adds desirable upscale features such as semi-aniline leather upholstery, 10-way power-adjustable front seats, a heated steering wheel, and heated second-row seats. We'd also add the technology package, which adds a 12.3-inch gauge display, a digital rearview mirror, a head-up display, and a parking assist system. Engine, transmission, and performance. Models wearing the TX350 badge are powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine. This entry-level powertrain makes 275 ponies and comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. The TX550h Sport Performance ups the ante with standard all-wheel drive and the addition of a hybrid assist system that boosts horsepower to 366 ponies. This model comes with a 6-speed automatic rather than an 8-speed. The most powerful version of the TX, however, is the TX550h Plus, which uses a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a plug-in hybrid system to generate 404 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard on the TX550h Plus, as is a continuously variable automatic transmission. On the road, the TX350 feels more sluggish than its hybrid siblings, but its quiet and comfortable ride will likely satisfy the hordes of luxury-oriented families who will consider the TX an option. Opting for one of the 2 hybrid powertrains brings perkier acceleration, and we estimate that the quicker of the 2 will hit 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds. With the F-Sport treatment, the TX is a competent handler, and we were impressed with it through some of Austin, Texas's twisty hill country, but over rough pavement, the suspension upgrades for those models deliver a less peaceful ride. Range, charging, and battery life. Lexus hasn't released all the info on the plug-in hybrid TX550h Plus model yet, but we know that it should provide enough battery capacity to power the 3-row SUV for about 33 miles before needing to be recharged. When we find out more about the size of the battery, the estimated charging time, and an official range estimate, we'll update this story with those details. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates that the TX350 is good for 21 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive models drop to 26 miles per gallon highway. Ratings for the hybrid TX550h are 27 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway. When we can, we'll take the TX on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route and update this story with real-world test results. For more information about the TX's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Depending on the interior layout you choose, the TX can seat up to 7 across its 3 rows. An optional set of second-row captain's chairs lowers the total capacity to 6, but buyers intending to use the TX as a family SUV may find that trade-off worth it to provide sibling separation. Storage bins are plentiful, and Lexus has integrated plenty of charging ports inside the TX's cabin too. The TX features plenty of standard luxury items, including a power-adjustable steering column, power-adjustable front seats with heat, and ambient interior lighting. More luxurious features are available as options, including semi-aniline leather upholstery, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel. Infotainment and connectivity. A big 14.0-inch infotainment display is standard on the TX, and it runs Lexus's latest infotainment interface, which we found is responsive and intuitive to use. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as are an in-dash navigation system and a wireless smartphone charging pad. A 12.3-inch digital gauge display can be reconfigured to show a variety of information to the driver, and an optional head-up display provides yet another digital readout for the driver. A 21-inch Mark Levinson premium stereo is optional. Safety and driver assistance features. Every TX will roll off the assembly line with a suite of driver assistance features that include adaptive cruise control, pedestrian detection, lane centering, and more. For more information about the TX's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IHS. Websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Lexus's limited warranty matches most of its rivals in this segment, and its powertrain warranty surpasses many. Hybrid components get longer coverage. However,